Copy layout designing and printing is another area where so many terms are used in this stage. The terminologies used in copy layout and printing. Newspaper and magazine layout designing and printing is a complex exercise which requires complete knowledge and experience of designing arts and printing science with required skills of softwares like Photoshop, Quark and PageMaker or InDesign. So lots of technical terms are used in page designing and printing process. I am going to discuss some of them. The first term is related to the size of publication and only two size of newspaper is popular. First is broadsheet, another is tabloid. A broadsheet is a standard size of newspaper that is printed on large sheet of paper. The size of broadsheet is nearly 29 into 23 inches, which is vertical and horizontal, divided in 8 vertical columns. Broadsheets are generally measured to be more serious in comparison with tabloid. For example, Times of India, Hindustan Times, Dainik Jagran and so many newspapers published in our country and around the world. Tabloid is a small size of newspaper. It is almost half size of the broadsheet. Although there is no standard size of newspaper, whether it is broadsheet or tabloid, but tabloids are very popular style for sensational journalism or entertainment news publication. Sometimes it played significant role in updated news stories or publication. For example, Midday, Mumbai Mirror and Mail Today is a leading tabloid newspaper in our country. Columns are important tools in newspaper and magazine layout designing. It is the arrangement of horizontal lines of type in a news story and this helps in getting order and structure of newspaper or magazine beside an article is being written regularly by a particular author or columnist. The gutter is a typographical term that signifies the inside space or margin between two columns or facing pages. In a newspaper layout, it helps in division of columns with equal size. Masthead is a term of American publishing that gives the newspaper title and details of the publishers, etc. Ear panel. As the name of the newspaper is referred to as the masthead, the advertisement is perceived as ears of the masthead and they are called ear panels. Print line is a detailed information about newspaper, for example, name of the editor, publisher, printer and city is printed in any page of the newspaper. Print line is mandatory for every newspaper and magazines. Caption. Captions are brief information about pictorial elements like about the photographs or infographs or source of photograph, name of photographer published in newspaper or magazine. Curtain raiser is a type of information that gives the complete information about what is likely to happen and not a report on what has happened. Folio line is a line of information at the top of the newspaper that gives the name, section, page number and publication date of the newspaper. Dateline is a line of information in any news article that describes where and when the story was written or covered. Traditionally, date lines are placed before the actual information sentence is printed. Skyline is a bullet point or information panel of stories published on the front page that tells the reader about the stories in a paper to tempt them inside. Headlines are any line or collection of words of display, type, font that proceed and summarize a story. In other words, we can say that headlines are an advertisement for the story that attracts readers. When it is bright, informative, clear, and accurate, the readers are hooked. They read on. That is the basic objective behind headline. Banner headlines are printed in extra large bold letters across the top of the front page of the newspapers on exceptionally important stories. It is used only in a specific situation and it covers larger impact over readers. Balloons. Balloon is a kind of drawing used in print publications like newspapers and magazines for the visual presentation of contents. Typically, in a comic strip, the characters' words in a drawing pictures appear to be coming straight from the mouth. Box border around the highlighting of a story or photo. Dummy is a diagram or layout of a newspaper that shows the location of stories, headlines, pictures, and advertisements. Terminologies used in advertising and circulation. It is another very important part of print journalism that is related to advertising and circulation. Advertising is a main source of income for any newspaper or magazine. It is a paid item of publication for promotion of any product, service, or policy. Placement and size of advertisements are depending on the cost paid by the advertiser to the print organization. So many terminologies are used in print journalism for advertising and circulation. The first term is insert. Insert an advertisement, collection of ads or other promotional matter distributed or published by a promoter or group of advertiser to be inserted in a magazine or newspaper. It could be bound into the distribution or be inserted without authority. Next is tear sheet. A tear sheet is an actual copy of an advertisement cut from a newspaper or magazine and sent to the retailer as a proof of the printing and advertisement. Classified is a small message or advertisement placed or printed in a newspaper and magazines. These advertisements are comparatively low cost printed in a separate sections. Display advertisement is a specific form of advertisement layout that is used for layout and printing in newspaper where the advertisement appears alongside regular editorial content. These advertisements are generally used by corporate and business houses for the promotion of their product, goods and services. Next term is advertorial. An advertorial is a form of advertisement in a newspaper and magazine which gives information about the product in the form of an article. In a simple word, advertorials are paid information that is given by brands for the publication to the newspaper or magazine and the space for the publication has purchased by clients. Preprint. While a preprint is an article that has not yet undergone peer review, a postprint is an article which has been peer reviewed in preparation for publication in a journal. Center spread. Center spread is a pair of pages facing each other at the center of a magazine or newspaper, printed and made up as a single unit. And the last terminology is ABC. ABC means Audit Bureau of Circulation. It is a non-profit organization of India. It is a voluntary organization formulated in 1948 for the certifies and audits the circulation of newspaper and magazines in India. So, my dear learners, in this module, we have studied about the vocabulary, glossary, jargon and terminology, why it is used in media industry as well as print media industry. We also discussed about the importance of these basic terminologies used in the process of news gathering. copy layout and printing, news writing, and placement of advertisement in the newspaper and magazines. Thanks to all of you for your attention. I hope this lecture gives you a better understanding about the terms used in newsroom of print media.